really became what I wanted to be. Not yet, anyway.
You're never gonna make it, Robbie. Not at this rate.
Thanks a lot, Roseanne. Girlfriends are cool and all, but sometimes they can lack in the support department.
Got your food, babe.
Cool. Where's my change?
You didn't give me any money. I paid.
Right. Where are the fries?
I didn't have enough.
Go back. And bring me back change.
It's not enough.
$1.10 is more than enough. 99-cent value fries plus 8 cents tax.
That's like 3 cents change.
When you're making it, or trying to make it, every penny counts. Waste not, want not, that type of thing. That was quick.
Yeah, it's fast food.
Don't be a smartass. What is this?
They're French fries.
It's the wrong place. I hate this place.
They're just fries.
Just fries. Just fries. Is the Mona Lisa just a painting?
I'm sorry, the what?
God, are you so uneducated that you don't know what the Mona Lisa is? Screw you. You bet.
Someone go behind and take this knife out of me. I'm tired of this hair and all these games, 'cause you aren't playing fair. Mr. Suitcase seems to be my only friend. Mr. Suitcase, there for me until the end. And I can depend on him. I put my heart on the line. I'm all tied up inside. You try to start on my mind. Wish I could turn back the time to where before we met. I had a cool life before divorce.